Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today, let us study about the expanded form of numbers. For what do you mean by place value? Place value depends upon the position of the digit in that place value chart. For example, the number 82. In the number 82, how many ones are there? 2 lies in the ones place and 8 lies in the tens place. So, when we have T for tens, we can also say 2 lies in ones or units place. Therefore, what will be the place value of 8? It will be 8 and it is in tens place. So, 8 into 10, we have 80. And the place value for 2 will be 2 and it is in ones place. So 2 into 1, it will be 2. Hence, place value of 8 is 80 and of 2 is 2. So 80 and 2 are the respective place values. Now, the standard form of writing any number is like this, 43. Obviously, we all know this. But what do we mean by expanded form? The expanded form will be written as 40 plus 3, where 40 is the place value of 4. 4 is in tens place. 4 into 10 is 40. So 40 is the place value of 4. 3 is in ones place. 3 into 1 is 3 itself. So 3 is the place value of 3. What do you understand by this, students? That to write the number in expanded form, we write the place values of all the digits in addition form like this. Let us move ahead now and see some examples of expanded form of numbers. We have the number 49. Its expanded form will be place value of 4, that is 40, plus place value of 9, which is 9 itself. So it is 40 and 9. Why do we have 40? Because we have 4 in tens place, or we have 4 tens, and we have 9 in ones place, or we have 9 ones. Simple.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.